Hello everyone, this is Moitreyi Gonai and welcome to the YouTube channel Your Ideal. Today, my topic is Biography of Marie Curie. Before going to her life history, we have to know who was Marie Curie. Marie Curie was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize in physics. Also, she won Nobel Prize in chemistry. She became the first person to claim Nobel honors twice. Her efforts with her husband Pierre led to the discovery of polonium and radium, and she championed the development of X-rays. Marie Sklodowska, later known as Marie Curie, was born on November 7, 1867 in Warsaw. Curie was the youngest of 5 children. Both of Curie's parents were teachers. Her father was a math and physics instructor. When she was only 10, Curie lost her mother to tuberculosis. As a child, Curie took after her father. She had a bright and curious mind and excelled at school. But despite being a top student in her secondary school, Curie could not attend the male-only University of Warsaw. She instead continued her education in Warsaw's floating university, a set of underground, informal classes held in secret. Both Curie and her sister dreamed of going abroad to earn an official degree, but they lacked the financial resources to pay for more schooling. Curie worked out a deal with her sister. She would work to support her sister while she was in school, and her sister would return the favor after she completed her studies. For roughly 5 years, Curie worked as a tutor and a governess. She used her spare time to study, reading about physics, chemistry, and mathematics. In 1891, Curie was finally made her way to Paris and enrolled at the Sorbonne University. She threw herself into her studies, but this dedication had a personal cost. With little money, Curie survived on buttered bread and tea, and her health sometimes suffered because of her poor diet. Curie completed her master's degree in physics in 1893 and earned another degree in mathematics the following year. Curie married French physicist Pierre Curie on July 26, 1895. They were introduced by a colleague of Marie's after she graduated from Sorbonne University. Marie had received a commission to perform a study on different types of steel and their magnetic properties and needed a lab for her work. A romance developed between the brilliant pair, and they became a scientific dynamic duo who were completely devoted to one another. At first, Marie and Pierre worked on separate projects, but after Marie discovered radioactivity, Pierre put aside his work to help her with her research. In 1897, Marie and Pierre welcomed a daughter. The couple had a second daughter, Eve, in 1904. In 1937, Eve Curie wrote the first of many biographies devoted to her famous mother, Madame Curie, which became a feature film a few years later. Curie discovered radioactivity and, together with her husband Pierre, the radioactive elements polonium and radium while working with the mineral pitchblende. She also championed the development of X-rays after Pierre's death. Curie conducted her experiments on uranium rays and discovered that they remained constant no matter the condition or form of the uranium. The rays, she theorized, came from the element's atomic structure. This revolutionary idea created the field of atomic physics. Curie herself coined the word radioactivity to describe the phenomenon. Following Curie's discovery of radioactivity, she continued her research with her husband Pierre. Working with the mineral pitch blende, the pair discovered a new radioactive element in 1898. They named the element polonium after Curie's native country of Poland. They also detected the presence of another radioactive material in the pitch blende and called that radium. In 1902, the Curies announced that they had produced a decigram of pure radium, demonstrating its existence as a unique chemical element. When First World War broke out in 1914, Curie devoted her time and resources to help the cause. She championed the use of portable X-ray machines in the field, and these medical vehicles earned the nickname Little Curies. After the war, Curie used her celebrity to advance her research. She traveled to the United States twice, in 1921 and in 1929, to raise funds to buy radium and to establish a Radium Research Institute in Warsaw. Curie won 2 Nobel Prizes for physics in 1903 and for chemistry in 1911. She was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize as well as the first person to win the prestigious award twice. She remains the only person to be honored for accomplishment in 2 separate sciences. Curie received the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1903 along with her husband and Henri Becquerel for their work on radioactivity. With their win, the Curies developed an international reputation for their scientific efforts, and they used their prize money to continue their research. In 1911, Curie won her second Nobel Prize, this time in chemistry, for her discovery of radium and polonium. While she received the prize alone, she shared the honor jointly with her late husband in her acceptance lecture. Around this time, Curie joined with other famous scientists including Albert Einstein and Max Planck to attend the first Solvay Congress in physics and discuss the many groundbreaking discoveries in their field. Curie died on July 4, 1934, of anemia, believed to be caused by prolonged exposure to radiation. Curie made many breakthroughs in her lifetime, remembered as a leading figure in science and a role model for women. Several educational and research institutions and medical centers bear the Curie name, including the Curie Institute and Pierre and Marie Curie University. The story of the Nobel laureate was back on the big screen in 2017 with Marie Curie, The Courage of Knowledge. In 2018, Amazon announced the development of another biopic of Curie. This was the short biography of Marie Curie. In the next video, I will be back with another biography of another legend. If you like the video, please share with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you.